In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Miro board. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your board as an image, a PDF, or an SVG so you can share it, print it, or use it in other tools. Start by opening the Miro board you want to export. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app. Take a moment to zoom and scan the board to make sure everything you want to include is visible and organized. If you've already arranged content into frames, that's perfect. Exporting works especially well with frames because they help define what gets captured. If you prefer to export the entire board, you can do that too. Next, look to the top right corner of the board for the Export or Share button. Depending on your interface and permissions, you might see Export directly, or you may need to click Share and then find the Export option there. Choose Export as image or PDF to open the Export panel. This is where you'll control what goes into your file. Now, choose your export options. First, decide whether you want to export specific frames or everything. If you select frames, you'll have more control and cleaner results, especially for presentations or multi-page PDFs. Then choose your format. PNG is great for quick sharing and slides. It's a standard image format that looks crisp and is easy to insert anywhere. PDF is ideal if you're exporting multiple frames as pages or need something ready for print. SVG is a vector format that stays sharp when scaled and works well if you're editing in design tools. Adjust the resolution to match your needs. Higher resolution is better for print or large displays, while standard resolution keeps file sizes smaller. You can also decide whether to include the board background or turn it off for a cleaner, sometimes transparent, look in images. If comments are part of the context you need to share, enable the option to include them. Otherwise, keep them off for a cleaner export. When you're happy with the settings, click Export or Download. Miro will generate the file and prompt you to save it to your device. If you exported multiple frames as PNGs, you may receive a zipped folder with one image per frame. PDFs with multiple frames will appear as a multi-page document. Larger boards can take a bit longer, so give it a moment. Finally, open the file to confirm everything looks right before sharing. That's it, you've successfully exported your Miro board.